Monsoon cold and cough troubling you again? Rainy weather can easily trigger throat irritation, sneezing, blocked nose, and cough. 3 quick homeopathic tips. Choose remedies based on your symptoms, not randomly. Drink warm fluids to soothe throat irritation. Rest well and avoid cold foods during active cough. Homeopathy looks at your cough type, mucus, throat discomfort, and overall health before treatment. Consult a homeopathic doctor for safe and personalized cold and cough care.